Hello and welcome to the BMC Quick Course Series. My name is Mark Bauman and I'm a lead developer for BMC software. In this session, I'll describe the new features available in MainView for IP version 3.3. This release provides new features based on customer requests and more robust VTAM and TCP/IP functionality. It also includes ongoing support for any new netstat fields. MainView for IP 3.3 has enhanced the IST PDCLU interface with VTAM to now allow PIU tracing of VTAM sessions. The PIU tracing can be for a specific VTAM session, or you can turn on global tracing to trace all VTAM sessions. You can customize how many PIUs are kept for each VTAM session. PIUs can also be logged to the MainView history files when the VTAM session ends, which can be useful in debugging SNA session problems after the session has ended. This feature was released earlier with MainView IP 3.2, SPE BPN 1871, and BPN 1916. To display the VTAM PIUs, use the DT action from the VTAM session views. Using the DT action will open the SES PIU view. From there you can drill down to the SES PIU D view to see more detailed information about the SNA PIU. The SES PIU view shows the PIUs for the VTAM session selected. The PIU will show the PLU, SLU, sequence number, RU length, and other information about the PIU. You can hyperlink to the SES PIU D view for more information about the PIU. The SES PIU D view provides detailed information about the VTAM PIU, including the TH, RH, and RU. With MainView for IP version 3.3, packet traces can be written into sniffer format, which allows the file to be input into Wireshark, a network protocol analyzer. Wireshark can then provide detailed analysis of the traced packets. You can now save the packet headers to MainView history files. This allows you to run a packet trace and then look at packet headers at previous time intervals to debug network problems. You can now start a packet trace at a specified time. Any active and stopped packet traces can be saved upon recycle of the MainView for IP paths. You will need to specify a file to save the data space, and the packet traces will be available upon recycle of the MainView for IP paths. MainView for IP version 3.3 provides a view to see the dynamic VIPAs defined across the Sysplex. The new Sysplex XCF view displays information about the TCP/IP stacks in the Sysplex. The new Sysplex view displays all dynamic VIPAs for all the TCP/IP stacks in the Sysplex. From this view, you can drill down to each dynamic VIPA to get more detailed information from the existing dVIPA views. This feature was released earlier as MainView for IP 3.2 SPE BPN 1830. The Sysplex view shows all the dynamic VIPAs defined for the Sysplex that the TCP/IP stack belongs to. From here, you can drill down to any dynamic VIPA and get more information about that dVIPA. The dVIPA can be on another LPAR, but the MainView for IP paths must be running on that LPAR to display data. Other enhancements include the ability to filter VTAM messages to MainView by using MainView for IP as a VTAM PPO application. By using a filter table, you can log VTAM messages to MainView, display them on the system console, or discard the VTAM message. OMP route RIP and RTT able information is now collected and displayed to help you monitor RIP and OSPF routing tables. The availability monitoring or AMON view has been changed to use an MPD wizard to add resources to make this process easier. The VTAM session configuration view, VTM SESD, now shows a topology for the VTAM session, including the SSCP and PU. You now have the ability to log all TRMD messages to MainView instead of just the IP filtering messages. This will help you be alerted to intrusion detection events, flooding, and other events. Thank you for your time. For more information about any BMC mainframe product, please visit the URL shown here.